Hello everyone, we are Team 722 taking part in Texas Instruments Analog Design Contest 2014. We are from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, RV College. Our project is real-time intruder detection system using sound localization and background subtraction. This project is basically to address the inadequacies that are present in the current intruder detection systems in India.
The system receives audio input from two electret condenser microphones. This input is passed through a preamplifier and bandpass filter stage. The outputs from this stage are fed as stereo audio data to the BeagleBoard via the audio in port. The sound localization program analyzes this data to determine the angle of the source of disturbance. The stepper motor control and drive circuit rotates the camera to the obtained angle. The background subtraction program detects foreground objects, if any, present in the captured frame and displays the result.
In this part, I'll explain to you the analog front end of the project. The microphone input is of the order of few millivolts, hence we need sufficient amplification for the BeagleBoard to recognize the input. Hence we use a preamplifier stage which is built using LM358 op-amp. This is the circuit diagram for the preamplifier. This is the basic preamplifier circuit which we have built using LM358 op-amp. It is a single-ended supply op-amp. It is operated in the inverting configuration. As it is a single-ended supply op-amp, we need to maintain sufficient offset so that the output swings between 5 volts and 0 volts. And this capacitor is used to remove the DC offset. Sufficient input impedance is maintained so that the microphone input is detected and the microphone derives power from plus 5 volts through the 10K resistance. The output from the preamplifier stage is sent to the filter stage, which is a bandpass filter, which is a combination of high pass and low pass filter, which is built using LM35 top amps. It is a Salon-Key second order filter, and it is a Butterworth filter, and the pass band is 300 to 4 kilohertz.
The sound localization algorithm is used to calculate the time delay of arrival between the two audio signals. We have developed our algorithm by expanding on the general cross-correlation method. Initially, the two signals are correlated with each other and the local maxima are found in the range from -13 to +13 with respect to the central index. The reason for this is that the distance between the microphones is 10 cm and with a sampling frequency of 44,100 Hz, the maximum possible delay is 13 samples. The left channel signal is correlated with itself delayed by the indices of the local maxima, and in each case the error with respect to the initial correlation is found. The index of the local maxima, which provides the least RMS value of error, gives the delay between the two signals, using which the angle of the source of disturbance is calculated.
This is the hardware setup of the project. As we have shown before, this is the preamplifier and the filter PCBs, and this is the BeagleBoard, and this is the driver circuit which I have used to drive the stepper motor, which is fixed to the camera, and this is the microphone input assembly.
Background subtraction is an effective technique for detecting foreground objects, if any. In our algorithm, the background image is initially subtracted from the captured frame. The resulting intermediate image is very noisy. We employ a mean segmentation filter to denoise this image, and then it is analyzed to detect intruders. Due to the adaptability of the filter threshold, our system performs reasonably well even in low light.
This is minus 50 degrees.
As it can be seen, in very poor light the number of noise pixels is more. This is remedied by using an array of LEDs around the camera to provide sufficient light.
Even though we initially started out our project primarily in the security domain, as we progressed through the project, we found out that there were several other application areas like video conferencing and also as a part of humanoid robots.
And also we would like to add few more features to the project. We would like to implement sound localization algorithm using 3 microphones. Thus, a single camera can be used to cover entire 360-degree angle. And also the foreground pixels which you obtain through background subtraction can be subjected to a face recognition algorithm which widens the application area.
We would like to thank Texas Instruments for providing us with the opportunity to convert our ideas into reality.
And also we would like to thank our college and our mentor for providing excellent support throughout the project.